Hello guys, Namaskar to all of you in my YouTube channel. A very warm welcome in my YouTube channel Dr. J.M. Paul, and I am cordially welcoming you once again. So guys, today I have taken one of the very important topic in front of you, that is hypertension or increased blood pressure. I will let you know about a combination of three important remedies. On the basis of these three remedies, you can easily tackle your blood pressure. Before going to the remedy, I will let you know about the normal value of blood pressure. Normal value of blood pressure is 120/80 millimeter of mercury. When I am saying 120, it means systolic pressure. When I am saying 80, it means diastolic pressure. You can add plus 20 or you can minus 20 from 120/80. That is also of a normal blood pressure of an individual. There are two types of blood pressure. One is primary hypertension and another one is secondary hypertension. I will let you know about the causes of primary hypertension, or I will let you know what is primary hypertension. Generally, we see primary hypertension in 90 to 95% of cases. When I am saying 90 to 95% cases, it means it is generally due to lifestyle disorder. When a person is having sedentary lifestyle, when a person is not going for regular exercises, when a person is alcoholic, when a person is smoker, when a person is taking smoking, or when a person is taking alcohol regularly, when a person is having junk food, when a person is having spicy food. So these are the causes which is related to a lifestyle disorder, and then it lands up in a condition of hypertension, that is increased blood pressure. The second very important type is secondary hypertension, where you can see it is related to endocrine disorder, like if a person is having any thyroid disorder, if a person is having any kidney disorder, if a person is having any liver disorder, and then he lands up in a condition of hypertension, that is blood pressure, it is known as secondary hypertension. So these the remedies which I am taking in front of you is a very good remedy which you can take it, and definitely you won't be having any complaints of blood pressure in your entire life. I will let you know about the combination of these three important remedies. Number one, the very first remedy is Rauwolfia mother tincture. Rauwolfia mother tincture is also a very important remedy to tackle blood pressure. Next one is Crataegus mother tincture, and the third one is Passiflora mother tincture. When you take these three medicines in a combination form, you won't be having any complaint of blood pressure. How you have to take, I will let you know. You have to take it orally 10 drops 3 times in a day before meal with half cup water. 10 drops from each of the bottle with half cup water 3 times in a day, and you can continue it for 1 month, 2 months or 3 months according to your ailment. If a person is having primary hypertension, that is if a blood pressure is related to a lifestyle disorder like junk food, like fast food, like alcohol, like smoking, then he has to take the medicine for 3 months or 4 months. I have seen many cases where a patient has taken these three medicines only for a month and he is free from high blood pressure for the entire life. See how miraculously it works. That's why I am telling you to take these three medicine, and you won't be having any complaint of blood pressure in your entire life. Guys, apart from these three medicines, I would like to let you know one of the very important remedy is Glonine 200. See, these three remedies definitely works, and apart from these three medicines, if you take Glonine 200, in the same way 10 drops 3 times in a day, then definitely secondary hypertension also goes off. When I am saying secondary hypertension, it means you can treat, you can cure on your own the secondary hypertension. It means if a person is having secondary hypertension due to any endocrine disorder, then these 4 remedies will work miraculously. I am assuring you that these medicines will definitely help you to overcome from blood pressure, that is from increased blood pressure. So guys, do let me know about your query in my comment box, and I am eagerly waiting for your query. I will let you know the solution even if you are having any other complaint beside blood pressure. Thank you guys. Jai Hind.